Hey, welcome back to Totally Relevant How-To Videos. Have you ever sat down to a meal and thought, man, I wish I was dining in Paris right now? Well, today we're gonna make that dream a reality, virtual reality. Buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into the future of fine dining. Behold, our gourmet meal for the evening, instant ramen. Ah, yes, the cuisine of champions. But we're not just gonna slurp it down like peasants. Oh no, we're going full-on luxury mode. I even got a candle for ambience and a printed menu to make it official. Introducing the piece de resistance, the VR headset. But wait, there's more. We've also got this Bluetooth speaker to play some classy restaurant background noise. This bad boy will transport us to the fanciest restaurant you can imagine. Or at least, that's the plan. Alright, let's do this. Puts on VR headset. Wow, I'm in a 5-star restaurant. Waiter, more water, please. Takes a bite of ramen. Tastes just like, well, instant ramen, okay? So maybe the food still tastes the same, but at least I felt fancy for a moment there. And isn't that what life's all about? Let's give this another shot. Maybe I need to fully immerse myself. Starts playing restaurant background noise from the Bluetooth speaker. Ah, yes. The sound of clinking glasses and muffled conversations. Now, this is luxury, but wait, there's a twist. What if we spice things up a bit? Literally, pours hot sauce into the ramen now. Let's see if the VR experience can handle this level of culinary genius. So, what's the verdict? Well, I still ate instant ramen, but I felt like $1,000,000 doing it. Sort of. The hot sauce was a nice touch, though. So, what have we learned today? 1. VR can't fix bad cooking. 2. I should probably stick to my day job. And 3. Instant ramen is still the king of meals, no matter how you dress it up. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell, so you never miss another totally relevant how-to video. Bon appétit, and see you next time.